In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this cat ice cream scoop. First, you're going to want to roll out a green ball. Push it down just a bit on your surface so it's in like a dome shape. You're going to want to roll out a green snake to wrap around the ball. Wrap it around the bottom of the ball. Use a toothbrush to texture the top of the ice cream. Use the needle tool to get any dirt or other stuff that's got stuck in your clay. Using your needle tool to texture the bottom part of your ice cream. To make your cat ears, you'll want to take a small ball of clay and shape it into a diamond and then cut in half. I'm texturing the top of my ice cream a little more before adding the ears. Using a needle tool to blend the edges. You want to take a dotting tool and make 2 holes for the eyes and another one for the nose. Using the dotting tool to make the indents in the ears. Rolling out a small black piece of clay and cutting 2 pieces for the eyes, then rolling into a ball. Put those balls in the charm where you made the indents for the eyes. Taking another small piece of clay, rolling it into a ball for the nose. Adding an eye pin to turn into a charm. Then bake. Now using a needle tool and some black paint, paint on your mouth and whiskers. Let the paint dry. Then adding super glue to the eye pin to secure it. Taking some UV resin to glaze the charm. Then put under a UV lamp for curing. And this is the final charm. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.